Hello student, welcome to the SourceBoard learning sessions on topic number from 11 to 20 for math for grade LKG. Today we will learn about forward and backward direction. SourceBoard, one of the leading names, helps students in the life course through schooling, sports and life skills. Let's start. Forward and backward counting. Forward. First, we will learn about forward direction. Have you seen the arrow? This arrow is showing moving forward direction. 11. Which number will come after 11? 12. Now, which number will come after 12? 13. Now, which number will come after 13? 14. Now, which number will come after 14? 15. Now, which number will come after 15? 16. Which number will come after 16? 17. Which number will come after 17? 18. Which number will come after 18? 19. Which number will come after 19? 20. Now children, you have seen while I writing the number is moving forward direction. So in forward direction, writing from 11 to 20, we have to write the number which comes after. Okay. Now come to the next page. Now in this page, we will learn how to write backward direction. Let's see. 20. First 20. Now which number will come before 20? 19. Now which number comes before 19? Yes, 18. Now which number comes before 18? 17. Which number comes before 17? 16. Which number comes before 16? 15. Which number comes before 15? 14. Which number comes before 14? 13. Which number comes before 13? 12. Now which number comes before 12? 11. So children, 20 to 11 has written in the backward direction. Now what is the question here? Write 20 to 11 in backward direction. So let's start how to write. So in backward direction from 20 to 11. So first number I will write 20. Backward direction. So the number which will come before 20 is 19. Before 19, 18. Before 18, 17. Before 17, 16. Before 16, 15. Before 15, 14. Before 14, 13. Before 13, 12. Before 12, 11. So children, when the question is asked to write the 20 to 11 in backward direction, I wrote in backward direction in this way. Now come to the next page. In this page, it is told write 11 to 20 in forward direction. So let's start how to write forward direction. So first 11, after 11 12, after 12 13, after 13 14, after 14 15, after 15 16, after 16 17, after 17 18, after 18 19, and after 19, yes, 20. So hope children you have understood how to write backward count number in backward direction and number in forward direction. So next day I will come to you with a new topic. Till then, thank you.